Hey, my name is Matthew Day. Today we're going to be reviewing a couple of details of this dual station laser marking machine. I'm the lead engineer for this project. Our customer will use this equipment to mark a serialized data code on each part. This code provides a way to trace each part through the manufacturing process and into the field. The system has two stations that operate in parallel to meet required takt time. Parts are loaded into a nest. There are sensors in the nest that confirm that the part is loaded correctly. When the cycle start is triggered, the fixture retracts into a laser safety enclosure. The laser marks a serialized data code on the part. This code is scanned and graded to confirm readability. When marking is confirmed, the enclosure opens and the part is presented back to the operator. The marking process uses a 25-watt laser to mark tough materials and topography. And the laser can dynamically focus on curved surfaces like the forged crankshaft. It makes a really beautiful mark. So in an application like this, it's really important to keep the laser optics clean. So the enclosure is designed with a fume extraction system that pulls fumes and particles away from the process area. All of our designs are CDRH compliant. So we use proven light-tight design methods and safety controls to protect team members operating and maintaining the equipment. So this system is designed to be very durable. Its welded steel box tube exoskeleton makes it very industrial and strong. On the opposite end of the scale, we build clean room equipment for semiconductor, life sciences, and precision assembly. Those systems look a lot different from this one. They have to be durable in other ways. This assembly is going to be an awesome workhorse for our customer. I'm proud to be shipping this system today.